हेलो एवरीवन, मैं नवीन पोरवाल स्वागत करता हूं आपका इस वीडियो में, जिसमें आज एक नया IELTS क्यू कार्ड और स्पीकिंग टॉपिक देखने वाले हैं। टॉपिक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, लेकिन आप टॉपिक को पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन में पढ़ने के बाद उस टॉपिक का आंसर सबसे पहले लिखेंगे। टॉपिक का नाम है टॉक अबाउट बुक दैट यू हैव रेड रिसेंटली एंड इम्प्रेस्ड यू। मीन्स उस बुक ने आपको इम्प्रेस किया। What was the name of book? When did you read it? And who suggested you? And why do you think this is important? Why did it impress you? 3-4 क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप अपनी तरफ से एडिशनल भी ज्यादा बना सकते हैं। जो भी क्यू कार्ड में क्वेश्चंस दिए जाते हैं आईएलटीएस में, वो तो कवर करें ही मिनिमम, लेकिन उसके अलावा और भी एक्स्ट्रा जनरेट कर आप क्वेश्चन उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस होंगे उतना आपके बोलने की लेंथ बढ़ जाएगी। शुरुआत हमेशा जनरल बैकग्राउंड से करेंगे। तो टॉपिक इस प्रकार से शुरुआत कर सकते हैं। Reading is one of the common habit of the most of the leaders of the world. Therefore, they love to read books in their spare time. And it is generally said as well that all the leaders are the great readers as well. Therefore, I try to adopt this particular habit in my life, and I feel that yes, reading book can provide us a lot of knowledge, because any writer who has written a book, he has a specialized knowledge of that field, and definitely they spend decades to write book. And I think each and every individual, whoever reads book in a very short span of time, they can acquire a lot of knowledge. Therefore, this is the beauty of the beauty of this particular habit or reading book. Is always going to be beneficial. It only provides you benefits. It doesn't have any drawback as well, and it should be your favorite pastime as well. सो ये हमने सारी चीजें जनरल बैकग्राउंड में बताई है। इसमें मैंने अभी तक बुक का नाम नहीं बताया कि मैं कौन सी बुक के बारे में बोलने वाला हूं। तो आप IELTS क्यू कार्ड में भी और अपनी स्पीकिंग में भी जनरली आर द सेंटेंसेस ऐसे बोल दीजिए जो कॉमन हो। वो ना हो कि आप डायरेक्टली बुक का नाम बता दें कि मैं आज इस बुक के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ। पहला मैंने स्टेप कवर किया है वो जनरल बैकग्राउंड। दूसरा स्टेप आ रहा है हमारा WH वर्ड। So out of all those books which I have read in my life, today I am going to talk about one of the best book which I really felt quite different. Although I have read many books of Robin Sharma, The Greatest Guide, First, Second, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, Who Will Cry When You Will Die, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Magic of Thinking Big, and 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, You Can Win. These type of Shiv Khera's book I have read, Robin Sharma's book, and Rashmi Bansal's book, Nindam Chaudhary's book. So many books I have read, and although top book I would always stay to the Bhagavad Gita, but I consider it in the different manner. That's why I'm not going to talk about that particular book. But I'm especially going to talk about Think and Grow Rich, which was written in the 1937 by the Napoleon Hill. I find this book very much different because it influenced me a lot. Somewhere it is mainly about the thinking ability of the people. There are many people who think very poor, and because of their thinking patterns, somewhere they are unable to achieve something bigger in their life. Napoleon Hill explained step by step each and everything about the faith, about courage, about planning that should be organized planning, and how we can think positively, and how positive thing can somewhere change our life. So these all topics are explained very minutely, and because of that I think this book has become best selling, and still you will find that this book is available at most of the leading book stores. You will find in multiple languages as well. So I found really this book different, and this has somewhere changed my pattern of thinking. I have become more positive after reading this book. So I strongly recommend each and every individual to read this book, because this is somewhere going to be useful for each and every one. It's not about one particular field related people that it is going to be useful only to the students or to the servicemen. It is going to be useful for everyone. That's why each and every individual must read this book. तो हमने यहाँ पर दूसरा भी क्वेश्चन कवर कर लिया है, दूसरा स्टेप भी कवर कर लिया। बुक का नाम, राइटर का नाम, वो भी हमने बता दिया है, और बुक किसके बारे में है और उसने आपको क्यों इम्प्रेस किया, वो हमने कवर कर लिया। तीसरा स्टेप है हमारा योर एक्सपीरियंस। आई फील ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल whoever has a goal, the initial thing which is required, which is somewhere more emphasize in this book, that is a burning desire. If you have a burning desire and right plan to action, there is absolutely nothing which you cannot achieve. कि आपके पास अगर कोई काम करने की ज्वलंत अभिलाषा है और आपके पास एक सही प्लान है, तो दुनिया में ऐसी कोई चीज है ही नहीं जो आपको वो चीज प्राप्त करने से रोक सके। तो ये हमने हमारे एक्सपीरियंस वाले तीसरे पॉइंट में कवर कर दिया। अब हमारा चौथा पॉइंट है, वो है हमारा खास तौर पे ओवरव्यू। I feel self-help books are really going to be a game changer in each and every individual's life. Although reading book can be considered very boring as well, therefore most of the youngsters, they love to watch videos, they don't love to read books. But I somewhere feel personally reading book requires mind. If you have, it means somewhere you are a literate person or you are an educated person, then only you will be able to read books, because an illiterate person or an uneducated person cannot read books. So definitely this can be very much beneficial if somebody wants to grow in his life by leaps and bounds. मीन्स हिंदी में कहते हैं दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी। अगर कोई व्यक्ति जीवन में दिन दुगनी और रात चौगनी प्रगति करना चाहता है, if somebody wants to progress by leaps and bounds in his life, definitely he must read books, because ultimately it has many benefits, it does not have any drawback. Therefore try your level best to adopt this habit. Read on the daily basis. Initially you may read for a few minutes and later on you can increase the length of reading, but be specific in reading, because once if you read, your language becomes powerful, and if your language becomes powerful, your communication is always going to be affected because of that. Therefore I take out my time and give some my precious time to reading, so by that I can become more profound in my language. I believe टॉपिक को मैं अच्छे से समझा पाया हूँ। 2 मिनट से ज्यादा तो बोलने का टारगेट आईएलटीएस में रखें। मीन्स आप हमेशा बोलते ही जाएं और रेलेवेंट बोले, उसका खास तौर पे ध्यान रखें। जैसे मैंने इस पूरे टॉपिक में सिर्फ बुक्स के बारे में बोला है, रीडिंग के बारे में बोला है, तो आप स्पीकिंग टॉपिक के लिए 2 से 5 मिनट बोलें और आईएलटीएस के लिए सिर्फ 2 मिनट का टारगेट रखें। वीडियो अच्छा लगा है फैमिली मेंबर्स और फ्रेंड्स को जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा। चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि और भी ऐसे यूजफुल वीडियोस देख पाएं। अल्टीमेटली थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।